Ahojte a vítajte v mojom novom vlogu. Včera som bola na takejto bláznivej technoparty a dnes ideme s Pablom do kostola na krstenie našich kamarátov dcérky. Pablo, checking the biggest rosemary on the world. One day you're gonna have the same one. Oh my god, it's beautiful here. And it's nice weather, not too hot. Moje ďalšie voľno sme sa s Pablom, Dínom a Čuču vybrali na pláž. Like a turtle. Go, Chuchu! You can find the gold. Don't get distracted with pretty girls. Ah, you're attacking me, Chuchu. Now he gets crazy. Práve som v centre mesta, čakám na Pabla, išiel ku doktorovi na kontrolu nosa, pred 3 týždňami mu ho operovali, som zvedavá, čo mu doktor povie, nos vyzerá úplne super a aj Pablo nemá žiadne komplikácie. No a dneska mám na sebe túto novú oversize košelu, dúfam, že si ju nezašpiním, pretože hneď ako sa Pablo vráti, chceme sa ísť naobedovať a potom chceme ísť pobehať nejaké obchody a večer možno pôjdeme do kina. Show me your nose. Wow, it's perfectly straight. Chocolate before lunch. Did you smell it? You have to smell it. Have to look at it. smell it. Listen.
Listen. It's not saying that.
Ako som vám hovorila, mám novú košelu a už tu mám nejakého vienka od vtáčika, takže ďakujem pekne. So. Don't be shy, tell them what you just told me.
About what?
That you pee in your garden and then you give me the food.
I don't pee on the plants, on the leaves. I pee on the compost, which is good. Excuse me. I need to...
Tak, kúpila som si 2 zástery, konečne, lebo všetky, čo mám, sú vyblednuté. Takéto som mala kedysi, neviem, čo sa mi s nimi stalo, som ich postrácala asi, ale viem, že keď si budem na ne dávať pozor, tak mi vydržia brutálne dlho. Pablo has got some interesting boots in his car. Wow, look at that. Gonna put this in here. Práve sme došli z centra. Trvalo nám to nejakých 40 minút. Ešte sme v aute kecali o živote, o našom vzťahu. No a medzi tým aj popršalo. Som dosť unavená, idem si asi chvíľku pospať. A večer chceme ísť do toho kina. Tak a sme naspäť v aute, trošku som si pospala, navečerala som sa, teraz ideme do toho kina, ideme si pozrieť, what's the name of the movie? Black Panther? Black Panther? Wakanda Forever. Lístky do kina máme od Pabloho kamoša zadarmo. Ďakujeme veľmi pekne a áno, správne vidíte, stále mám na sebe tú abstratú košelu, pretože som nemala nič iné na prezlečenie. We got the premium! Wow! Nice leather seats, lots of space. So we are back in the car. At the end we spent $3 for parking, but was definitely worth it to see this movie. I would say 80% for the story, but the rest it's definitely 100%. I was captivated all the entire time. I love the music, costumes, acting, was really nice. Tak a to je pre tento vlog skoro všetko. Ešte som pre vás postrihala pár srandičiek nakoniec. A hádam sa vidíme opäť čoskoro. We got tickets for free from Pablo's friend. What's your friend's name?
Ricardo.
Ricardo, shout out to Ricardo, thank you so much. And did I say we're not gonna spend anything? More you do it, more awkward it gets. It doesn't look natural, you know? You need to go straight forward first round. So we are back in the car on our way to the cinema. I had a quick nap, we had dinner, and we're gonna watch Black Panther Wakanda Forever. We got tickets for free from Pablo's friend. Shout out to Ricardo, thank you so much. We're not gonna spend anything tonight, not even 1 cent, because we are full. We got tickets for free. And yes, I'm still wearing the shirt with the bird's poo. And yes, I'm still wearing with the